Hello friends, hello students, welcome to this lecture on Introduction to Optimization Techniques. This is Unit 5 of this course. Okay. This is syllabus, Introduction to Optimization Techniques and System Approach, and then Introduction to GIS and Computer. Today we will cover only Introduction to Optimization Techniques only. Okay. Here is the formal definition of what optimization is. Optimization is the action making the best or most effective use of a situation or resource. Okay, this is the short and sweet definition, but you can go for this. Actually, optimization means selecting a best solution among the available all appropriate solutions. Optimization selects the best solution only. How it works, it is a different story, but it is a procedure for selecting the best solution. Okay, so let's talk how to formulate the problem formulation in this optimization. First we choose design variables, then formulate the constraint. What are the constraints? Constraints are the conditions which must be satisfied while we do the optimization. Optimization, maximization or minimization. So constraints. Formulating objective functions. We mathematically formulate the objective function. What we want to maximize is known as objective function. Setting the variable limits. Okay, limits how much which variable will consist of this range. Then the algorithm to solve the problem. Which algorithm we will use. Okay, then the solution, how to solve that problem. Okay, this is the complete method. Now what is multi-objective optimization? The optimization problem is called the multi-performance or vector optimization problem. This is the definition of this, in which there are various objectives like water resource. If you are designing a water resource project, there are several objectives. First objective, first suppose we are dealing with some hydroelectric plant, then the electricity production should be maximum. Second objective, the cost of project, and first I should tell that first objective, the cost of the project should be minimum, production of the power should be maximum, the irrigation area, cultural command area should be maximum, the losses should be minimum. So in this there are so many objectives, so all objectives has to be, this is the multi-objective optimization problem. Now there are many algorithms available to solve the multi-objective optimization problems, and so we talk about the classification of various optimization techniques. Okay, at this level you just know their names and how to classify them. Depending on the characteristics, suppose there are one objective function is there and then more than one, then it is univariate problem optimization function, and if there are more than one control variables, then it is multivariate optimization techniques. Okay, type and control of variables. If it is continuous real numbers, it is continuous optimization problem. If it is integers only in one, it is integer or discrete optimization problem. Okay, if both continuous and real numbers and integers, then mixed integer optimization problem. Okay, if problem function is linear, then it is linear problem. If it is quadratic, then it is quadratic type optimization technique. Okay, if non-linear functions and variables, it is non-linear technique. Depending on the problem formulation, it is depending upon problem function, means objective function, it is from problem formulation. If subject to constraints, it is constraint problem. If not subject to constraints, it is unconstrained problem. So in this way we can classify the various optimization techniques and optimization problems. Okay, now depending on this classes of optimization methods, there are two major classes of the optimization methods: optimality criteria method and search method. What is optimality criteria method? Analytical methods are known as optimality criteria methods. Once the conditions for an optimal solutions are established, then the candidate solution is tested to meet the conditions. Second, the form of optimality criteria solved analytically determine the optimal. This is the whole analytical methods of which is also known as optimality criteria method. Now we talk about the search method. It is a search method techniques. Okay. Depending on the search methods, there are three different types of numerical methods. Okay, this is the you can pause your video and you can study this numerical methods based search methods techniques. Okay, the number of variables and constraint is large, then we use this search methods. The problem functions are highly nonlinear, we use search methods or numerical methods. Okay, are implicit problem functions, objectives or constraints are implicit, then we use this numerical methods technique. This is very popular nowadays. Based on the optimization methods suggestion, this are you can also classify depending on this and this also. This is also recommended. Then there are conventional techniques or classic methods. Okay, these are the names of the classic method definition. Okay, just go through it. Also you can refer this, you can pause your video and go through it. Now these are the classic methods: linear programming, non-linear programming, integer programming based methods, separable programming methods. Okay, you just note down the names and their methods. Okay, non-linear based, these are the names of the non-linear based methods. There are linear based methods. Okay. Quadratic programming methods, sequential quadratic programming. Okay, these are the advanced methods. You just know the names only. Okay, somewhere I didn't even mention the this is the numerical problem you can try to solve with yourself. Okay, this is the these are the some examples of the numerical methods. Okay. You can try this numerical techniques. Okay.